There's nothing better than 900 people getting together, doing this together. Who's ready to jump into that booster today?
I just wanted some people to jump in the lake with me. I thought it was going to be really fun.
Check-in and registration. Please go to your right.
We're raising money for 4 families. Also, this gives us the opportunity to more families that were nominated this year that we weren't able to help. We're now going to be able to give them some one-off financial payments.
I want to thank everybody for coming today. What a great day to jump in Lake Michigan.
I think it's gonna be great. I think don't think about it.
Yeah, you really just gotta go. Yeah,
It could have been last week, you know?
I'm just ready to do it, you know what I'm saying? Get all amped up and get psyched out, you know what I'm saying? It's all about a mentality. Mine right now is beast mode.
Chicago Polar Bear Club. Yes!
I inspire you to do it, do something great, help out some great families, meet great people, and it is the experience of a lifetime. Baby, we love to see it.
When we started with 3 of us in 2002, I never expected this.